In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to complete step 2 of the WooCommerce plan, which is to set global options. By default, it will be marked as completed because the options are set to default. We recommend you to use default selections, but you can change it. Click on step 2. The first option is to combine shipping costs. This means that the shipping cost will be included in the selling price of the product. So, if you turn on combined shipping, you need to turn off shipping costs in your WooCommerce store, otherwise you are overcharging your buyer. This allows you to mention that all your items have free shipping. However, if you do not combine shipping costs, then you need to display the shipping cost for all products on your WooCommerce store. Let's say the price of an item is $10 and the shipping cost is $3. If you have combined shipping turned on, then the price of $13 will be pushed and displayed on your store for that item. However, if you have combined shipping turned off, then the price of $10 will be pushed to your store, and $10 will be displayed for that item. You will be responsible for showing and configuring the shipping cost, if combining shipping is turned off. The second setting is if you want to upload images of products to your store. The third setting is to pick an image size for the image of the product. By default, the selection is 500 by 500 pixels. This is the recommended size. If you choose original images, the images will vary in size with different suppliers, because different suppliers provide different sized images. You can choose the unit of weight you are comfortable with. The upload retail setting allows your buyer to view the retail price and your selling price. This will allow your buyers to view how much money they are saving from purchasing from your store. For example, if the retail price is $59.99, and your selling price is $39.99, then this feature will tell your customer that they are saving 33% from purchasing from your store. You can choose to upload titles, descriptions, and tags of products to your store. You can also upload brands of products to your store. You can choose to delete empty categories from your store. You can enter a shipping class. And finally, you can choose to add a tag to the product. It will display which country the product is shipped from. After you configure all the settings, step 2 is complete. Click on Save to save the changes. I will cover the other steps in separate videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.